To start with, make sure you have a USB key connected to your computer. We need to get the PFSense image installed. To get that image, you need to reach out to Netgate. I'll leave a link in the description. It will require the serial number off your device. They make special images depending on the specific model you have. And so as you can see, I have it here, and I'm just going to use Etcher to install it on my USB key, and I'll hit flash and then type my password. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and eject that. I'm just gonna pull the USB key at this point and then plug it into the USB port on the back of the SG-3100. And then I'm going to plug in the console cable. So it's a mini USB to USB-A. Plug that into my computer, and I have not plugged power in yet on the PFSense box. To connect your machine to that box, it will require some specific application. For the Mac, I'm going to use Serial. There is a 30-day free trial of it. The other option is to use Putty if you're on a PC, and that is recommended. One of the benefits of using Serial is that it recognizes when you're connected to your SG-3100. As you can see, if I connect it back to the USB key, it's already connected, and this is without power to the Netgate box. There's some settings you need to set for Serial or Putty to work correctly. One is the baud rate. You will need to set it to 115400, but that's about the only thing you need to set. Then you can hit OK, especially if you're not getting connection right away. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in power, and you can see that Serial has seen that, and it's showing. We're going to not do auto boot, and instead we'll go ahead and we're going to type in run recovery. It's going to scan for everything and find all the devices that we have in. Now we can go ahead and decide where we want to install the recovery software. We want to put it on the M.2 device, seeing as we just replaced that. If you don't have an M.2 device, you're just trying to reinstall and get this the internal memory going. You can see that there is the MMCSD0. Today I'm going to use the ADA0 for the M.2 drive, and we'll hit enter, and then yes, I'm sure. It'll erase the contents, and I'll come back when we're ready to go. And now you're good to go. In the next video, we'll go through assigning interfaces and how we can go about setting that up. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. I'll be coming out with more content on my setup with PFSense and Mac content as well.